Hello friends, welcome to new video. Suppose if we found a new planet same like of Earth which is habitable. Imagine this planet is so far away from us that we travels billions of years to reach there. In fact, for every single person it is impossible to left their galaxy. As we are in the Milky Way galaxy and the nearest galaxy to Milky Way is Andromeda galaxy, which is approximately 2.5 million light-year away from us. Suppose if we travel using spacecraft having speed of 28,000 km/h and it takes 94.5 billion years to reach there. However, if we improve the technology and travel with speed of light, we will reach in 2.5 million years. Suppose if there is a shortcut to travel toward other galaxy in which millions-year journey is converted into some month of travels. This shortcut is wormhole.A. In 2014, a movie came named Interstellar. In this movie, time travel is depicted in a unique and speculative manner. The filmmakers took creative liberties to present a story that incorporates elements of time dilation and manipulation. In the movie, the crew of the spaceship Endurance visits planets located near a massive black hole called Gargantua. Due to the intense gravitational pull of the black hole, time dilation occurs. This means that time passes at a different rate for the astronauts compared to people outside the gravitational influence. For example, when the crew spends a short period of time on a planet near Gargantua, years pass by on Earth. This creates a significant time difference between the two locations. This aspect of time dilation plays a central role in the plot of the movie. This movie is based on a new concept of wormhole. Now we are trying to understand what are these wormholes. Also, can we use it to travel between two galaxies? Also, are these wormholes physically existed or not? A wormhole is a special solution to the equations describing Einstein's theory of general relativity that connects two distant points in space or time via a tunnel. Ideally, the length of this tunnel is shorter than the distance between those 2 points, making the wormhole a kind of shortcut. Though they are a staple of science fiction and have captured the popular imagination, wormholes are, as far as we know, only hypothetical. The simplest possible wormhole solution was discovered by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in 1935, which is why wormholes are sometimes called Einstein-Rosen bridges. Einstein and Rosen started with the mathematical solution of a black hole, which consists of a singularity and an event horizon. According to the physics of the universe, they found that they could extend this solution to include the polar opposite of black holes, white holes. However, a wormhole created from a pair of black and white holes wouldn't be very useful. For one, white holes would be unstable. If you were to drop a particle toward the event horizon of a white hole, the particle would never reach the event horizon, because nothing can enter a white hole. So the energy of the system would continue to increase to infinity, eventually blowing up the white hole. Second, even if white holes could exist, the only way to enter this kind of wormhole would be to cross the event horizon of the black hole on the other side. But once an object crossed the event horizon, it could never leave. So objects could enter the wormhole but never escape. Lastly, the wormholes themselves would be unstable. A single photon, or particle of light, passing through the wormhole tunnel would introduce so much energy to the system that the tunnel would snap apart, destroying the wormhole. If such a wormhole did exist, it would look very strange. The entrance would be a sphere, like the surface of a planet. If you looked into it, you would see light coming in from the other side. The wormhole tunnel could be any length, and while traveling down the tunnel, you would see distorted views of the region of the universe you came from and the region you were traveling to. There is currently no known way to construct a wormhole, and wormholes are purely hypothetical. Although exotic matter is unlikely to exist, there may be another way to stabilize wormholes. Thanks for watching the exciting topic. Also subscribe the channel.